Starting an online business can feel risky, but it doesn't have to. The Millionaire Partner System is designed to help you build a sustainable income stream with low risk and clear steps. First, you'll set up your business foundation. Using the system's simple tools, you can quickly create a website, landing pages, and sales funnels without tech headaches. This helps you attract and convert customers right from the start. Second, you'll save time with powerful automation. Tasks like email marketing, content delivery, and follow ups run automatically, keeping your business active 24/7 while freeing you to focus on strategy. Third, the program teaches you how to create passive income. Once in place, these income streams continue to work for you, a big step toward long term financial independence. Plus, you get detailed training and ongoing support at every stage. No more guessing what to do next. Finally, there's a money back guarantee, so you can test everything risk free. By combining ease of use, automation, and passive income strategies, the Millionaire Partner System helps you build a stable online business that grows with today's digital economy. If you're ready to start your own online income journey, click my link below and sign up now.